Okay, this is Bingo, and I just finished him. So he's working really good. The head turns around, mouth opens good. The eyes are glass, they do not move. The outfit is handmade. The hands are carved out of wood. The feet also are carved out of wood. The back is on the outfit is cut out, makes it easier access to get your hand in and out. I have a rubber band on the bottom which helps hold the head on. Body is handmade. The head is it's a ring lever, so you can use your thumb or your finger or either hand, whichever you prefer. I find this much more easier to operate than using a lever. So the wig is fun fur, which is just stapled on, so you can, if you have to get inside to make any kind of repairs, you can do so. The mouth, I had a piece of plastic to hold the mouth open during the pictures. That's just a piece of plastic to keep the mouth open. It doesn't stay in there. So he is all carved out of pine, and he is ready. If you're interested, you can look me up on my Facebook page. Again, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like the videos. You can watch the video on how I made him from start to finish, which will be loading soon. Thanks for watching.